Hello, this is Ken Goldberg in Orlando, Florida. I want to welcome our guests and associates to tonight's presentation of fundmyhome.org. Tonight, we will show you how we are helping one family at a time own their dream home. We will show you why homeownership matters and some of the benefits of owning your own home. It doesn't matter if you are a first-time home buyer or you currently own a home. We can assist you with the purchase of your new home with one of the hundreds of new home builders in the 14 states we are now servicing. Soon, we will be in every state to assist you in purchasing your new home. Our home buyers can qualify for up to $48,000 in non-repayable grants for down payment and closing costs. Remember, here at fundmyhome.org, we do not ask for application or broker fees. Our pre-qualification is free with one of our marketing specialists. Did you know that with fundmyhome.org, you can get approved even if you have a challenge with your student loan or need help to raise your credit score? We will show you who we are and what we do to help you purchase your dream home. And now, let's watch this presentation on why homeownership matters, and immediately following, we will present our fundmyhome.org home buyer presentation.
Homeownership matters! Homeownership matters! Homeownership matters!
I think in the long term, it's a great investment.
It certainly is an investment in the future.
It gives us financial security.
Hopefully it'll be theirs one day.
I always wanted to buy a house.
When you rent, you don't get as much in return. You invest in a home when you buy a home. So it was extremely appealing to us.
Coming from generations of people who've owned land and homes, if you didn't have anything else, at least you had that. So it's something that you definitely want to keep and you want to be able to pass down.
When you own your own home, it's an investment really in your entire life.
Being a homeowner gives you a sense that you can establish yourself and establish traditions and make your house your own.
Although, I make a decent income, for me to have a program that allowed me to get a home with a little bit down and still enjoy the benefits of homeownership was a huge incentive.
I can build on this home, I can change this home, I can pretty much do anything I want to do because it's mine.
You know, there's so many people around the world that don't have that opportunity to have a roof over their head. And I think owning a home where it's clean and comfortable, it is an American dream. I think it should be a dream for everyone.
Given us a sense of stability,
Yes.
And it's made children feel secure.
As they grow together, their families grow together, their kids grow together, they build memories in a home.
Even with today's economy, it's still an American dream to be a homeowner. You feel like you're not successful unless you own your own home.
You are part of the community. You have a bigger voice than if you are a renter. Renting, we never had a say.
It just gives me such a great feeling to know that I've helped someone with home ownership.
You have an investment in the neighborhood, you have an investment in making sure that property values stay afloat, that the neighborhood has a certain appearance. I think the things that got you to the neighborhood in the first place, that you sort of buy into that pride.
Homeownership matters because it's an investment in the future. An investment that, that we can be proud of and that we can grow in.
Homeownership matters because it gives people the opportunity to grow and really become part of something bigger.
Homeownership matters because it connects you to a community.
Homeownership matters because it's your home. As an American, as a part of your community, as a place to raise your children.
And homeownership matters because it's an investment, it is part of who we are as a society.
Homeownership matters because it makes families stronger, it builds communities, and it really is the foundation of our nation.
I think home ownership matters because it's a true reflection of who you are.
Homeownership matters because it's yours and you can make it your own.
Need down payment assistance? Introducing fundmyhome.org, a peer-to-peer social media referring society. Key benefits of what makes our down payment assist so different and attractive. No application or broker fees. 5 to 7 day approvals. Close in 30 to 45 days from signed purchase agreement. Close with zero or little out of pocket. Owner occupied for residential properties up to 4 units. No income limits. 580 credit scores, non-repayable. No liens or second mortgages. Student loan forgiveness program. Not limited to first-time home buyers. Doing well by doing good. What is fundmyhome.org? Fundmyhome.org is a down payment assistance program managed in collaboration with Real Estate Mortgage Grants and Down Payment Assistance Incorporated, a 501c3 nonprofit organization providing homeownership opportunities. Zero down payment. We provide home buyers with money for down payment and closing costs. Our goal is to help bring home buyers to close with zero or little out of pocket. Fundmyhome.org is not a lender. Nevertheless, fundmyhome.org helps its preferred lenders approve more home buyers by helping to provide funds needed for down payment and closing costs. Also, on a case-by-case basis, it may provide home buyers with the funds they need to pay off old collection accounts. This helps to lower home buyers' debt-to-income ratios, therefore increasing their purchasing power. No income limits. Unlike most down payment assistance programs from cities, counties and states, which limit home buyers' income to only 50 to 80% of their area median household income, fundmyhome.org does not have income limits. Working the proper sequence. Cities, counties and states require home buyers to first enter into purchase agreements with earnest deposits before applying for their down payment assistance. Fundmyhome.org approves homebuyers before they engage sellers into purchase agreements. Non-repayable down payment assistance. Unlike most cities, counties and states, which give down payment assistance in the form of zero interest, deferred payment second mortgages, our down payment assistance is non-repayable. It is gifted without liens or second mortgages. Funds are wire transferred at closing by the 501c3 nonprofit organization. Student loans. Fundmyhome.org helps banks approve home buyers who hold high student loan balances and are defaulted student loans. Fundmyhome.org helps home buyers burdened by student loans. This is done by restructuring all accounts, whether current or defaulted, which then yields drastically reduced loan balances, terms and payments. Lower student loan payments means reduced debt-to-income ratios, which then means increased purchasing power. Paid as agreed, restructured student loans boost credit scores, which then improves homeownership opportunities. This is neither credit repair nor a temporary fix. The restructuring of student loans is permanent, valid and lawful. Now, let's talk about student loans for a moment. As of June 2018, Forbes reported that the total U.S. student loan debt was $1.5 trillion and that approximately 44 million people had student loan debt. The average student loan balance per person is near $40,000, while some people owe $100,000 or more. Listen to these folks. An average, 44 million people own nearly $40,000 each in student loans. The challenge with that is that high student loan debt and/or defaulted or delinquent student loans hinder homeownership dreams. The good news is that fundmyhome.org, with its student loan forgiveness program, can help home buyers achieve their homeownership goals even when they have defaulted or delinquent student loans or have high student loan debt at the time of their initial application. 580 credit score. Fundmyhome.org helps approve home buyers with credit scores as low as 580. On a case-by-case basis, Fundmyhome.org will attempt to help approve home buyers with less than 580 credit scores. Fundmyhome.org also helps home buyers increase credit scores by helping to insert their rental history, utilities, mobile phone bills and insurance payments on their credit reports. Please note, Fundmyhome.org has temporarily deferred the cost of restructuring student loans. 5 to 7 days approvals. Applications can be decisioned within 5 to 7 days of receipt of home buyers' completed application and supportive documentation. Close in 30 to 45 days. Home buyers typically close within 30 to 45 days of signed purchase agreements. Best of all, with fundmyhome.org, there are no application fees or broker fees. No first-time homebuyer classes to take or pay for. No income limits. The down payment assistance is non-repayable. Nevertheless, homebuyers pay for their own credit report, $39. Their earnest deposit to their sellers, which fundmyhome.org recommends that homebuyers have a minimum of $3,000 for earnest deposits. Their appraisal reports at an average cost of $450. Their home inspection reports at an average cost of $350. Please note that U.S. veterans and those purchasing homes inside USDA-designated areas will always recover their initial out-of-pocket expenses at closing, as well as those who fundmyhome.org is able to bring to close with zero out-of-pocket. Some conditions may apply. We, on behalf of our staff, our associate members and our down payment assistance recipients, thank you for your interest, support, and participation in fundmyhome.org. As we honor God in bringing our endeavor and the ownership of our company onto His hands, grace and glory, and pledge to honor God and His Son Jesus with our wealth. Every month fundmyhome.org will donate to a charity or choice, funds needed to benefit other home buyers and the communities where our associate members live. Put God first. This, ladies and gentlemen, concludes our brief overview of our powerful common sense business opportunity. This is your company and together we will succeed. We invite you to share fundmyhome.org's amazing down payment assistance program with all your friends and family to take a part of the Million Homes Challenge. Together we'll create 1 million new homeowners. Goodbye for now. And remember, put God first. God bless everything you do. And our company.
As you can see, we are dedicated to helping new home buyers and current homeowners go through the process of purchasing a home. The home buying process is simple. First, talk with your marketing specialist that referred you here to fundmyhome.org. Second, visit their website and start at the Home Buyer tab. Next, familiarize yourself with the home buyer workflow and then complete your registration for your home buyer ID number and submit. The next step will be to complete the pre-qualification questionnaire and submit. Look for an email with a Calendly link to schedule your onboarding meeting with our 501c3 onboarding specialist. The specialist will walk you through the rest of the process. Fundmyhome.org provides you a preferred lender and realtor. We can also suggest a builder in the community that you want to live. Right now, I'd like to share a recap of what you have seen here tonight with fundmyhome.org. Let me introduce Lisa Holmes, presenting the recap.
Good evening, future home buyers. I'm going to take a few minutes to go over some of our programs we offer here at fundmyhome.org. Let me start with some key points. Fundmyhome.org offers up to $48,000 in non-repayable grants. You must be qualified by our lender and have gone through the Fund My Home process to receive this grant at closing. This grant is used to help with your down payment and closing costs and is a free gift. And the great news with Fund My Home is there are no fees for the application, grant, or broker assistance. There is actually no cost to apply. And with our program, there are no attachments, no seconds, no liens, and there are no classes to attend. You may have noticed that we have no income limit. What that means is that you can earn $100,000 or more and still qualify for our down payment and closing assistance. We can work with FICO scores as low as 580. We can help increase your score by using your history of timely payments with phone, rent, utility, and insurance payments. Do you have a student loan? We can help you restructure your student loan so you can qualify to purchase a home. You may qualify for zero to very little out-of-pocket for down payment or closing assistance with our USDA or VA programs. Maybe you would like to have a new home built by one of the builders in the states we are currently servicing. Are you looking for a second home in the mountains or by the water? We can help with that too. Have you thought of purchasing a duplex, triplex, or fourplex? It could be a great way for you to live rent-free by having the other units pay your monthly mortgage payment. So here is what you need to do to get started. Get back with the marketing specialist that invited you here tonight to get all of your questions answered. The marketing specialist will give you the link to their website so you can register as a home buyer. Our mission statement is to help 1 million families become homeowners in the next 30 years. Thank you for being on the call tonight and welcome to fundmyhome.org.
I hope we were able to show you how Fund My Home can help you as a future home buyer and provide you with a grant towards your down payment and closing costs. Please get back with the person who invited you here tonight for more information on what you need to do next. This concludes our presentation tonight. Please share this with friends and family who are looking for down payment assistance. We are here Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday nights at 9 p.m. Eastern to share our goals of helping 1 million home buyers purchase their dream home. Good night.